The Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate is an online program offered by Google in collaboration with Coursera. It's designed to equip learners with the foundational skills needed to start a career in cybersecurity. The certificate program consists of a series of courses covering various aspects of cybersecurity, including networking, system security, cryptography, and incident response. Key features of the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate include industry-relevant curriculum. The program covers essential topics and skills required for entry-level positions in cybersecurity, such as understanding security protocols, implementing secure network configurations, and responding to security incidents. Hands-on projects. Learners have the opportunity to apply their knowledge through hands-on projects and labs, allowing them to gain practical experience in real-world scenarios. Flexible learning. Being an online program offered on Coursera, learners can access course materials at their own pace and from anywhere with an internet connection. This flexibility makes it suitable for individuals with busy schedules or those who prefer self-paced learning. Google's expertise. Given that the program is developed by Google, learners benefit from Google's expertise in cybersecurity and technology, ensuring that the content is up to date and aligned with industry best practices. Certificate of completion. Upon successfully completing the program, learners receive a Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate, which can be showcased to potential employers as evidence of their skills and commitment to cybersecurity. Overall, the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate provides a valuable opportunity for individuals interested in pursuing a career in cybersecurity to acquire the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the field. The Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate includes a variety of exercises and hands-on projects designed to reinforce the concepts taught in the courses. These exercises typically cover different aspects of cybersecurity and provide learners with practical experience in applying their knowledge to real-world scenarios. Here are some examples of the types of exercises you might encounter. Lab assignments. These are hands-on labs where learners are guided through step-by-step instructions to perform tasks related to cybersecurity. For example, setting up a secure network configuration, implementing firewall rules, or analyzing network traffic for suspicious activity. Vulnerability assessments. Learners might be tasked with conducting vulnerability assessments on virtual environments or simulated systems to identify security weaknesses and recommend solutions to mitigate them. Incident response simulations. Simulated incident response scenarios allow learners to practice responding to security incidents, such as malware infections, data breaches, or denial of service attacks. This could involve analyzing log files, conducting forensic investigations, and developing incident response plans. Cryptography challenges. Exercises related to cryptography might involve encrypting and decrypting messages using different cryptographic algorithms, implementing secure communication protocols, or solving cryptographic puzzles. Penetration testing. Learners may engage in simulated penetration testing activities to identify and exploit security vulnerabilities in systems or applications ethically. This could involve performing reconnaissance, conducting vulnerability scans, and exploiting weaknesses to gain unauthorized access. Security policy development. Some exercises might involve developing security policies and procedures for organizations, considering factors such as regulatory compliance, risk management, and best practices. These exercises are designed to provide practical, hands-on experience that complements the theoretical knowledge gained from the courses. By completing these exercises, learners can demonstrate their ability to apply cybersecurity concepts in real-world scenarios, which is essential for building a successful career in the field. Thank you for watching Cyber Trainer. Like and subscribe.